Hello everyone, how are you? Now, today we will also discuss chapter 2 of subject statistics. Chapter name is presentation of data. Okay? In previous video, we have studied another question of lower boundary point and upper boundary point. Okay? Also in this question, rewrite the following frequency distribution by stating class length and mid value of each class. Okay? Rewrite the following frequency distribution by stating class length. Stating class length and mid value. Formula of mid value we have discussed. What is the formula of mid value? Upper boundary point, lower boundary point and class length. Okay. For formula of class length, in this question we will write first of class. Okay. Class. We will write same here. Second, we will write mid value. Okay. Then we write frequency and class length Cn. Okay. Which class is given? 0 to 99, 100 to 299, 300 to 499, 500 to 749, 752, 899 and 900 to 999. Okay. So we write same value of class and same value of frequency. So first class's frequency is 10, second class is 12, third class is 14, fourth class is 16, 8 and 10. Okay. Now we will find mid value and class length. Now you have studied that formula of mid value. I write formula of mid value in short form. What is formula of mid value? You remember? Now formula of mid value: lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Okay. Or you can write another method: upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Okay. Now mid value of first class. First we find mid value and after find class length. Now lower limit 0 plus upper limit 99 divided by 2. So answer is 49.5. 5. Okay, so first class has mid value is 49.5. Okay, now it is talk about first class. Now talk about second class, lower limit. 100 plus 299 divided by 2. Okay, so 399 divided by 2. 399 divided by 2. So answer is 199.5. Answer is 199.5. Okay, I have no calculation, so I am checking this answer, it's right or wrong. Yes, answer is right. Now mid value of third class. Now lower limit 300 plus upper limit upon 2. Okay, 799 divided by 2. So answer is 399.5. So third class has mid value is 399.5. Okay, now mid value of fourth class, first, second, third, fourth. 500 plus 749 divided by 2. Okay, so fourth class has mid value is 624.5. Okay, now what is mid value of fifth class? Lower limit is 750 plus upper limit is 899 divided by 2. So total is 9. 9 plus 5 4. 8 plus 1 9. 1649 divided by 2. So answer is 824.5. 824.5. Okay, now mid value for sixth class, 900 plus 999 divided by 2. 991,899 divided by 2. So answer is 949.5. Okay, 949.5. Okay, so we get simple and easily mid value or midpoint of each and every class. Okay, now what is formula of class length? What is formula of class length? Formula of class length is upper boundary point minus lower boundary point. I write this formula in short form, but you will write in same form: upper boundary point minus lower boundary point. Now What is upper boundary point of first class? Okay, first we discuss upper boundary point and lower boundary point of second class. What is upper boundary point of second class? Now you think, what is formula of upper boundary point? Formula of upper boundary point we have been studied in previous video, okay? And what is formula of upper boundary point? So formula of upper boundary point is upper limit of this or that class plus lower limit of previous class. Okay, now upper boundary point. First we find upper boundary point of first class. Okay, formula of upper boundary point. Upper limit of this class or that class 299. Okay, lower limit of succeeding class, it is 300 divided by 2. So answer is 299.5. Okay, so we can put upper boundary point of second class is 299.5. Okay, now we find lower boundary point of second class. Now what is formula of lower boundary point? Lower limit of that class, lower limit of that class or this class is 100 plus upper limit of previous class. So upper limit has previous class is 99 here by 2. So answer is 99.5. Okay. So answer is 200. Okay. So we will write class length of second class is 200. Okay. Now each and every class you will find upper boundary point and lower boundary point, and after get class length. But we have a shortcut already. Now you can see here what is difference between 300 and 499, and in this question already inclusive class is given. Okay, so what is answer of class length of first, third, fourth, fifth and sixth class without putting the value in this formula? So we will use shortcut of find out class length. Now you can see here first class is 0 to 99. So first class's class length is 100. Okay. Now third classes I am finding here only class length of first class. Okay, with using the formula. But now we will use shortcut 400 and 300. What is the difference between 300 and 400? 200. In 4 class, what is class length of 4 class? 250. you will tally this answer by using this formula. I am using shortcut, okay, but you will get this answer by put in this formula, okay. Now what is difference with what is the class length of 5th class? So answer is 150, okay. And what is class length of last class? So answer is 100, okay. Now we will prove. One, two, three, four, five, 6. Upper boundary point. Upper boundary point of last class is what is, without using this formula, 999.5, okay, minus lower boundary point. Lower boundary point. So what is lower boundary point of this class without using this formula? So answer is 899.5, okay. So 999.5 minus 899.5, so answer is 100. So answer is 10 by putting the value in this formula, okay, and in this formula, okay. So sum is finished. We have find mid value and class length, okay. It is enough for today video, okay. Thank you and take care.